Hey y'all, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm showing you guys exactly how to make a V-part wig using a hot glue gun. So this is the hot glue gun I got off of Amazon. That will be linked below. It's super cute. It comes with like 15 little glue sticks that you have to keep it plugged in to warm it up. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm just showing y'all the glue gun. We're gonna just plug it in and let it heat up. This is the dome cap I decided to use. I could have just got a V-part dome cap, but whatever, I was being deviant, so I went and got the dome caps that I'm used, or the mesh caps that I'm used to using. And my hair was already cornrowed and parted out from a previous V-part wig that I was wearing, so that's why you see the chalk already lined out. So I got to skip that part. But here, what most people is just going to do is just measure. And I've done this several times in other videos, but I use measuring tape and I measure out an inch for each track because I double track most times. So this is what I'm showing you here. Here are 2.5 bundles of some hair. I just washed it and I co-washed it and I air dried it. And now I'm about to put the first piece of glue on the first track. This was the hardest part for me to record because my camera was going out of focus. I don't want the glue to start dripping sideways, but I want y'all to be able to see what I'm doing. So later on in the video, I do get better at putting the glue on the track, so just bear with the first part. But I just want to show y'all the first track and how hot the glue actually gets. So by the way, these are pre-used bundles. They are oh so old. So most of the tracks was already cut. So I really just had to measure. I mean, I have the same head. So I just had to part out the pieces that look like they would have went in the back, the middle, the top, and stuff like that. So that's why you don't really never see me cutting anything because they're already cut. finally at the top after getting burned like 3 times. Like, the glue is really hot. It's not hot like a fire or like a, you know, I don't know, not like a fire, but it is hot enough, like, because I know y'all saw my fingers doing the little ouch thing. Yeah, like it does get really, really hot, but it's not enough to like leave a mark or really burn you. So now it's time to cut off the extra mesh. Like I mentioned, I should have just used a U-part mesh cap, but I didn't. I walked right past it. I seen it. I walked right past it and just went with my regular mesh cap. So now you see me struggling trying to cut the rest of the lace off, or the mesh, my bad. Now I'm going to use some combs to go all across the V, and as well as the bottom. I believe on the bottom I ended up just putting one comb for the back, but I'm using the hot glue gun to put about 7 or 8 combs all the way across the V part wig. Now I'm just showing you the wig with every single comb all the way across the wig, because I really do need every single comb. Like, my hair is really thick, so I actually put the combs all the way through like my cornrows when I put the wig on. Now I'm just styling. So I was at first going to wear it wavy, but I checked my leave out. She said no. So I decided that I was going to go straight. Obviously, when I wear straight hair with any leave out, it doesn't last. My leave out does not last very long. It'd be for the theatrics. So we're still going to do it. Using my Aventa blow dryer without the concentrator nozzle. I don't know why. But we're going to start blow drying, and then you're going to see me flat iron bone straight. And this is the final look, just as straight as I could get it. I have a video coming of me actually applying the wig. It's just not in this one. So y'all gonna have to wait for that. But tell me what you think about this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you all in my next video.